So this year, the 200, well, it's getting a birthday. So we're going to use it this year again, but we're going to do some things to it. So last year, Simon had the Norweld canopies on the back of his D-Max, and mate, I was impressed, very impressed. So I decided this year that I would go and see the guys at Norweld, and I said, I've got this 650 Extension 200, what do you reckon? Why don't we design a canopy that is built for this 650 Extension? This is a new canopy, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Wow.
This is our full-time canopy tray base, designed to work on the 200 series with a 650 and 750 mil extension from Creative Conversions. The canopy is designed to house an upright fridge. It also has 3 drawers integrated into it, enough room for 2 batteries, also plenty of room for generators or an outboard motor, and plenty of storage as well on top.
So this is a touring canopy. So generally the way it works is, one side is storage, refrigeration, kitchen. The other side, well, that's the business side. That's where all your tools go, that's where your fishing gear goes, that's where you control all your panels, you know, monitor your batteries. And we come up with something that is practical, and that's what it's all about. When you're out in the bush and you're touring around, things have to be practical. They have to work.
Yeah, and don't forget the rear drawer, mate.
Yeah, I love the rear drawer, like, that's
and it's
awesome.
all waterproof, dustproof for you.
Yeah, sweet, we'll need plenty of that.
Yeah.
Dustproofing.
So the design elements of our canopy, we try and ensure that our canopies use existing products on the market to integrate well into the canopy. Fridge slides, fridges, battery systems, BMSs, as well as other accessories like air compressors, your recovery gear, all that's got to fit into the canopy and work and be easily accessible and functional. No point having something that you can't get to.
Now, it's got a brand new canopy on the back, so that's got to be wired up. So we've got Batteryologist guys in again to do all the wiring.
Yeah, so it's got the 200 amp hour lithium battery in there, all the red arc gear, all the same lighting system that we did on the last canopy, boat loader with the winch on the roof, so all the good stuff. So this is the lifeblood of your trip. If you're out there and you've got no power, no lights, no fridge, no food, it makes it really hard to eat baked beans for weeks and weeks on end, and so those little creature comforts. So this one's got the cell fire for the long phone reception in it as well. So it's got the phone booster so you can ring home and touch base with the family, which is nice. That's the modern world we live in, and everyone wants that accessibility. And having access to all of these things remotely just makes it so much more enjoyable to be able to go away and enjoy your travels in tours like this.
I'll tell you what, this is a serious touring rig. And so the layout of the whole truck, including the canopy, I reckon it's going to be awesome.